this could be a good example to compare the difference character between Hongshan culture and the Liangzhu culture. You see this, if we only use one word to describe the difference, is Hongshan culture jade, this animal bird full of movement. And this, in the comparison, Liangzhu is more prefer still quietness and gentle feeling. And also one more thing, if we can compare this, you see how curving this Hongshan jade, they made it. The way they play with jade to reflect light, and this one is the flatter surface.